across the hall. Silk and velvet sweep the walls. Voices soft and footsteps glide. Elegance moves side by side. Dignitaries circle slow, sharing secrets they barely show. Masks of grace and practiced poise, hidden truths beneath the noise. Somewhere deep behind it all, a human heart beats in the hall.